me so high. This is take 2 on this video because the last one you couldn't see me. Anyway, so here's a box that my Amazon stuff came in. Another box that some more Amazon stuff came in. And I opened them on video, but you couldn't see anything. So anyway, it's already open. Tripod that I think is supposed to go with this light and some other something that goes with it. And I think this is a memory disc that somehow goes with all of this. And oh, I think I took something. Oh, this is instructions on how to use the tripod. And my favorite thing, the drone. The drone that I'm gonna fly up and down the neighborhood, and hopefully nobody in my neighborhood steals it because I live in that kind of neighborhood. Because I'm single, live alone, pay all my bills. This is what I can afford. And I might get robbed and murdered in the middle of the night. I don't know. But anyway, I'm super excited about this new drone. It's not like it's a name brand. It's a PL515, whatever that means. And the great thing is my 20-year-old son, who's amazing with electronics, should be here within the hour to show me how to use it. Okay, Asta, thanks for checking in. I'm gonna go have some fun with my new toy. Ooh, it has a little carrying case. Love it. Bye.